Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. To my subscribers, appreciate you checking back. To you new viewers, you guys should become subscribers because you're gonna get to see awesome recipes like these. Today we're doing a southwestern chicken and broccoli, and it's grilled, so it's gonna actually be nice and healthy, nothing crazy on it. So I've got some chicken breasts that I've already pounded out, nice and thin. I do that for two reasons: it cooks faster and it cooks more evenly. I also have 4 heads of broccoli that I've broken up into florets. And that's where we're gonna get the broccoli from. Let's talk about this guy here. This is my spice mix. Now you can mix this up however you want. 3 teaspoons of paprika, 5 teaspoons of thyme, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 3 teaspoons of salt, and 4 teaspoons of black pepper. Now it's going to be a little bit spicy because you can actually use this as a blackened, right? So if I wanted to make blackened chicken, I put the weight on there and let it just braise on there. First things first, I'm bringing some water to a boil. That's my little boil cover. I'm going to put these in nice and easy. I don't want to burn myself. About 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes should get these blanched. Okay, I've gone ahead and taken that off, strained it out, and then dumped it into an ice bath. The whole reason for doing this is we want this really nice, bright, dark green color there. That will sit. We'll let that sit in the bath. Now, I've got this on about a 4. You can go to 4 to 5. I don't have any grease on there. I'm just going to start taking pinches. And just give it a quick dust. And straight onto excuse me, we're gonna have to do these in batches. Okay, and I'll finish these up in about 6 minutes for the first side, 6 to 8, depending on how thick the chicken is. I pound mine down, so it's gonna go quick. And then we'll flip them, and then we'll throw the broccoli on for the second side. All right, you can see this is the second 2 out of the 5 pieces of chicken that I had. The other ones are actually chopped up in the oven. I did set that to 350 to keep it warm. That's all I'm doing. A couple of housekeeping things. This is a grill pan. You could also do this on the grill. If you don't have a grill pan, you can just do it in a regular pan. It went about 3.5 to 4 minutes for both sides on the other one. And this one is about the same. You can see it's still got a little pink, so this is going to go a little bit longer. It's only been about 2 minutes on this side. As soon as that's done, we'll chop those up, bring everything back. Going to the broccoli, I put 2 teaspoons of the rub and then tossed it into the broccoli so that I have a consistent flavor across. So keep the flavor profile. Another couple minutes and we'll be done. All right, you can see that I've gone ahead and chopped everything up and put it back on the pan. Add in our broccoli. 2 minutes, serving time. Just give this a little mix and get the flavors. Again, we're just trying to keep the flavor profile through the whole dish. 2 minutes. Now that we're all done with the mix, we're just taking lemon, a fresh lemon, and giving it a quick glaze over. And you don't want those in there. Okay. Other than that, that's 1/2 lemon juice. We're ready to serve. You'll get a good 4 to 5 servings out of this. And it's just this. Now, you could, if you're so inclined to need a starch with your meal, feel free to serve this with some rice or maybe some noodles. But really, I think that's all you need. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Try this, make alterations, let me know about them. Otherwise, check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Peace.